Be an Animal Hero celebration, empowering more heroes again. The Veganza Animal Heroes, the world's first vegan superhero trifecta, recognized the determination, compassion, and actions of individuals.
Let's give it up. Here they come. Here they come.
MUSE Global, the first plant-based school in the U.S., hosted the empowering assembly. Be an Animal Hero Kind2All Award went to Maggie Baird. The founder of Support and Feed and mother of Billie Eilish and Fineas gave an inspiring message to the students.
But also that really helps our planet, because we know that when we eat plant-based food instead of eating animals, it's so much healthier for our planet. So we also ask people on Billie's tours, when Billie goes on tour, or when the band Paramore goes on tour, or at some music festivals like Something in the Water with Pharrell Williams or Lollapalooza, we ask people there to join us and pledge to eat at least one plant-based meal a day for 30 days, because that's a good starting point. We know that when you, yeah, that's what you all do, right? At least one plant-based meal a day. And we joined you. We found that you were doing that. We were like, that's the one that's going to work. So we took that on.
Let's give Maggie a big round of applause, you guys.
Be an Animal Hero Innovator Award went to Gwenna Hunter. Founder of LA's first vegan food bank, was challenged to achieve her goal.
Yeah, I got a lot of anxiety initially. I had a lot of sleepless nights.
Yeah.
I was very fearful to take this on as a responsibility.
Yeah.
But the universe kept bringing things to me and delivering them to me.
Yeah.
And I knew that I had to do it, because you can't say no to the universe.
Be an Animal Hero Innovator Award. Who knew we needed a vegan food bank? Gwenna Hunter did. The decision to open a vegan food bank was made with few resources and no map, yet the journey Gwenna began has resulted in national media coverage around the issues facing many individuals and families in Los Angeles. Paul McCartney Young Veg Advocate Award
Went to Tabay Atkins.
When I was 16, I opened up my very own vegan food truck called Tabay's Mindful Kitchen.
The positive, proactive actions taken by Tabay highlight the ease of adopting vegan food choices to benefit all.
Be an Animal Hero Lifetime Achievement Award went to Dr. Jane Goodall.
We all each have a responsibility, because every day we live, we make some impact on the planet. We have a choice as to what sort of impact we're going to make.
The Be an Animal Hero Compassionate Chef Entrepreneur Award went to Angela Means.
Hey guys, hello there, hi there, hello there.
That we have a well-known, positive beam of light, Cherie Johnson, to accept the award on her behalf. Woo! And we're going to mail the award to her.
Animal Heroes rock. The good news is we can all help animals in need, said Sir Paul McCartney.
And I hope that you all become Animal Hero crew members. You can go on our website, animalherokids.org, and you can join all the other children and teens around the world.
Thanks to everyone for a truly memorable and inspiring event. Thanks for watching this video.